Hello, guys, and welcome. Just like as you are aware that Chief Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday IGBOHO, the Yoruba activist, appears in court today, Court of Appeal precisely in Benin Republic, Cotonou. Earlier on, people have been warned not to gather in hundreds because the Cotonou court does not like crowds when they are doing their sittings. But unfortunately, people have gathered in their hundreds. I mean, you can't blame them. Chief Sunday IGBOHO is a man that people cannot but actually see that he is free. You know, a lot of people have gathered and to actually witness the whole sittings and the communication. There are no current videos with regards to the court sittings because the only video that is available at the moment is the one that shows where people have been coming into the court premises, not in the courtroom precisely. So there hasn't been any video whatsoever showing the court. But as I am speaking to you, there has been the sitting had already begun. So many supporters of Yoruba Nation agitator Chief Sunday Adeyemo gathered in large numbers at the premises of courts de Appeal de Cotonou, Benin Republic, on Monday today to witness the trial of the activists for possible extradition charges. This is despite earlier warning that Benin Republic court are not used to large crowd during the sitting. Just like I said earlier on, that the court itself does not like, neither are they used to crowd when they are having their sitting. And you could see that a lot of people, just from the report, that a lot of people have actually traveled to Benin Republic on Sunday, with Yoruba groups offering free accommodation. You see, a lot of people have traveled from far and wide to converge in Benin Republic, where people have actually offered them free accommodation to stay until today, when the court will be sitting for the hearing. The report gathered that the federal government would be presenting extradition charges against the Yoruba activists today. That is what Nigerian government is all about. They want Chief Sunday IGBOHO to be extradited back to Nigeria. They don't want anything else. They don't want to listen to anything else whatsoever. The Nigerian government also, from our reports, from the report we've gathered, that the federal government of Nigeria will also be presenting extradition charges against the Yoruba right activists today. That's Chief Sunday IGBOHO. Just like I said, that's what they are important. That's what they care about. That's what they want. They don't want to listen to anything from anybody. All that they want now is that Chief Sunday Adeyemo IGBOHO is extradited to Nigeria, so that they can do whatever they want to do with him. This is quite unfortunate. It's quite unfortunate. On what IGBOHO is to be tried for today, Communications Manager Ilana Omoudua Maxwell Adeleye said, "We reiterate that Chief Sunday IGBOHO is not under any immigration-related probe in Benin Republic." To those of us who thought or who believes that Chief Sunday Adeyemo was actually found with fake travel documents, fake passport, fake travel documents, or what have you, that's absolutely not true. And some of us have actually been circulating some information, some news around to say his hands and legs were chained. No, his legs were not chained. If you have to listen to any news with regards to any update, please try as much as possible to listen to the authentic one. Otherwise, you will be misinformed. It's always very good to do this. Chief Sunday Adeyemo IGBOHO will appear in court this morning in Benin Republic to face the likely extradition charges to be brought against him by the Nigerian government. So the only charges Nigerian government is leveling against him now is extradition charges. That's all they want. That's all that rings in their brain, so that as soon as he gets to Nigeria, they can do whatever they want to do with him. And it's going to be really, really hard on this particular case. Ibrahim Salami, one of the Cotonou, Benin Republic-based lawyer of Chief Sunday IGBOHO, had said on Saturday that the extradition charges were being expected from Nigerian government. So he, as a lawyer of Chief Sunday IGBOHO based in the Benin Republic, has actually been expecting that the federal government of Nigeria will be leveling or will be coming up with some sort of extradition charges to be leveled against Chief Sunday IGBOHO. Now, they are leveling charges against individuals. Why haven't they level all these charges against the Boko Haram, against killer herdsmen, against bandits? They don't want to do all of that. It's quite unfortunate. Following the bloody raid on his Soka residence in Ibadan, your state, the Department of State Services had earlier claimed local and international driving licenses name, ATM cards, a German residence permit number. We're not going to tell you the number, sorry about that for security reasons, bearing his name, and a passport were allegedly recovered. The lawyer has said when he left Nigeria, he took the back door into Benin. It was at the airport that the security operatives stopped him, that he was on his watch list. So to those of us who thought that maybe he was found with fake passport or what have you, no, he wasn't found. He was found with Nigerian passport. So, guys, that is exactly what the situation of things is. I will advise us all to kind of listen to genuine news. Watch authentic videos, stop listening to news that will give you misinformation, that will misinform you, that will give you counter opinion to what is currently going on. So guys, what Nigeria is actually after is they have actually mapped out strategy to extradite Sunday Igboho. That's what they want. We all know that that's what they want. They couldn't find a search and search. They couldn't find anything to level against him. Now, as I'm saying to you, the court hearing is ongoing. We will be coming out again to tell you the outcome of the court as soon as the court sitting is over. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so. You will be notified. You will be well informed. You will be accurately informed of the current happenings around town. And you can like us, you can share us, you can comment, you can subscribe to us. This is absolutely free, guys. We will be taking our time to do a lot of researches, a lot of findings before we come here to give you updates. So, guys, Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho is currently at the court now, and the hearing has begun. It is our hope, it is our belief, it is our prayer that the court favors us today. It is our belief that the charges that is being leveled against him be turned down, fake charges to be precise. So guys, we'll be crossing our fingers until I'll be coming your way again this afternoon to give you update with regards to the court sittings. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be coming your way again, guys. Stay tuned. Bye for now.